Namaste, seekers. Welcome to your AI Baba Daily Forecast for Sunday, the 6th of July, 2025. Let's begin this peaceful day with clarity and intention. Today, the stars offer gentle guidance for all, but especially for three Rashis. Cancer, your emotional intelligence shines bright. Expect deep conversations, long-awaited clarity, and the power to resolve personal matters. This is your day for closure and peace. Virgo, clear-headed decisions and steady progress are written in your stars. Trust your structure and discipline. Rewards are approaching. Stay the course. Your efforts are about to bear fruit. Pisces, your spiritual energy is at its peak. Spend time in reflection or with nature. You may receive a sudden inner download, opening a new direction for you. Embrace it. Weather across Indian metros is mostly clear, with light monsoon showers in the east and central zone. It's the perfect day for indoor reflection and creative pursuits. If today is your birthday, you are a connector of people and ideas. In the coming year, partnerships will bring turning points. Remember, focus on balance, not control. For those going through tough times, don't rush your healing. A cosmic cycle is closing. Allow yourself space for rest. What feels like delay is actually divine timing. Quietly, new beginnings are forming. Here are some simple do's and don'ts for today. Do connect with family or old friends. Take spiritual or creative time out. Journal or reflect. Your mind is fertile today. Don't make impulsive decisions. Avoid confrontations. Today is not for proving a point. And don't skip rest. A mental detox is essential. Planetary insights for today. The moon is in Pushya Nakshatra, auspicious for learning, healing and service. Jupiter aspects the moon, magnifying wisdom and clarity. Rahu is subtle, but trust your gut in emotional matters. Closing message. This Sunday brings insight, peace and gentle momentum. Let your intuition guide you and give your spirit the softness it needs. Everything you need is already within. Like, share and subscribe for more daily guidance. Wishing you a serene and soulful Sunday.